El horario de Gonzalo González, séptimo grado. En la primera hora tengo Pride Time con señor Lee. En la segunda hora tengo la clase de matemáticas con señor Lee. En la tercera hora tengo la clase de estudios sociales con señorita Tyree. En la cuarta hora tengo la clase de español con señor Siegling. En la quinta hora tengo la clase de educación física con señor Harrow. En la sexta hora tengo la clase de inglés con señora James. En la séptima hora tengo la clase de ciencias con señora Gibson. Yo como el almuerzo en la tercera hora con mis amigos. For the last one where it says tercera, cuarta, and quinta hora, those are for third, fourth, and fifth period. So for lunch, indicate when you have lunch. And you should replace tercera with the time you have lunch if it's not third period. After listening to me give you the schedule for Gonzalo Gonzalez, you're going to scroll down on this page and make sure after you type in all your information that you delete all the instructions in parentheses in red ink, including the ones at the top. So anything it's in red ink, you can end up deleting. So it says el horario de, you're going to replace those two lines with your name. You're going to choose your grade level by writing sexto, séptimo, or octavo. If you're in sixth grade, write a 6 with a raised O. If you're in seventh grade, a 7 with a raised O. Eighth grade, write an 8 with a raised O. You should write your homeroom teacher for Pride Time and type all teachers' names with Spanish titles, señor, señora, and señorita. If you're not sure whether a teacher is married for the señora or señorita, just write señora. Using the words below, you're going to fill in the class names for your schedule. I wrote down the names of a bunch of classes: matemáticas, inglés, ciencias, estudios sociales, español, educación física, arte, banda, coro, tecnología, and fax. If you have Miss Cole, Miss Grubbs, Miss Pollard, Mr. Rogers for any of your classes, for fax, just write down FACS. That's for the Family and Consumer Services. Studies, I mean. So if you look, first period is going to be the same for everybody. En la primera hora tengo Pride Time, but you'll write down con whichever teacher you have, señor, señora, or señorita. Do that for first through seventh period. For lunch, as I said, indicate whether you have it third, fourth, or fifth. Replace the line above with the correct class period. So yo como el almuerzo en la, you're going to get rid of the line here and write down tercera, quinta, cuarta, or quinta hora. If you guys look at the schedule for today, for each of my classes, you have links to 3 Edpuzzle videos today, one for my son James, one for Jack, and one for Katie. There are 3 short videos on edpuzzle.com, and you'll answer the questions based upon what you see. You'll also see it says las clases y los números ordinales. That's a learning link on quizzes.com or joinmyquiz.com. And what you're going to learn how to do today is say the class periods from first, it actually has the numbers from first through 10th. So let me know. I'm going to meet up with you guys again today at 10:15 to 11 o'clock, and you can tell me what your experience was. I wanted to share with you one of the projects that somebody, one of your classmates has already handed in. And it's something that you should be able to do by Friday or Monday, depending on whether or not you're in 6th, 7th, or 8th grade. I'm going to read the script that this person wrote about what classes she has and whether she likes them or not and why. So here we go. En la segunda hora tengo la clase de inglés. Me gusta la clase de inglés porque es fácil. Me gusta escribir. She said she liked English class because it's easy, fácil. That's a new word this week for you guys. Me gusta escribir. I like to write. You guys should find clip art for each of these activities. Me gusta. En la tercera hora tengo la clase de estudios sociales. Me gusta la clase de estudios sociales porque es divertida. No es aburrida. Third period, I have social studies. I like the class, social studies class, because it's fun. It is not boring. Divertida, fun. Aburrida, boring. En la cuarta hora tengo la clase de matemáticas. No me gusta la clase de matemáticas porque es difícil. In fourth period, I have math class. I don't like math class because it's hard or difficult, difícil. En la quinta hora tengo la clase de ciencias. Me gusta la clase de ciencias porque es divertida. Fifth period, I have science class. I like the class because it's fun. En la sexta hora tengo la clase de español. Me gusta la clase de español porque es divertida y fácil. Sixth period, I have Spanish class. I like Spanish class because it's fun and easy. En la séptima hora tengo la clase de educación física. Me gusta la clase de educación física porque es buena y divertida. Hago ejercicio en el gimnasio. En el gimnasio hago ejercicio. Seventh period, I have phys ed. I like phys ed because it is fun, it is good and fun, and I do exercise in the gym. So you can see in each frame, the student told us what class she had, whether she liked it or not, and why. You should be able to do this by either Friday or Monday of next week. La clase today from 10:15 till 11 o'clock, we're going to have a follow-up meeting where you guys can join this Google Meet and discuss with me how things went. If you went to your first elective the other day and didn't come to Spanish, come here today. And if you came to me the other day, come again today because we're going to discuss the second assignment.